The importance of light. Light designs the spaces. It allows us to see objects. It gives them shapes and colors. Light creates atmospheres, conveys character to places, and arouses emotions within us. This happens in everyday life, continuously. It may be a natural source, like a radiant sunlight, a shimmering moonlight, the glow of a few shining stars, or the artificial brightness of a lamp on a piece of furniture. As far as we know, the first to study light were the ancient Greeks. One of their theories was that our eyes emit a kind of fluid that affects the objects around us and then comes back to the eyes. Even if that's not quite how it works, I like to interpret this theory in our favor. Metaphorically speaking, it's your creative fluid that affects the objects and comes back as an artistic idea. Ancient Greeks, nice work. Professional artists know how the light performs and they use it to communicate. Do not simply believe that is only the result of instinct, of improvisation, of a creative gesta. There is craft behind all of this. For us, 3D visual artists, light is a fundamental element of a composition. Light can be the brush that paints the shapes. Light can even become the only protagonist. Then, if you have already worked on some 3D projects and so far thought about the light usually at the end of your creative process, well, now it's time to think differently, to do something new and broaden your artistic possibilities. Are you ready to be enlightened? Hey guys, I'm Massimo Cozzi from AIDA Communication. I'm an expert in communication, video editing, TV producing and 3D modeling. Click on this link below to let me know you are interested. I will make sure to tell you when the course starts. Have the best 3D.